In this tutorial, I'll be talking about return statements. I would like to tell you two things about return statements. The first thing is that a return statement terminates a function. Since the most important thing in a function is to return an output. So anytime the output is being returned, then the code execution stops. For example, if you have a function sum that takes input, so when you have return $output, when this is executed, assuming you have some piece of code here, everything here will not be executed. The point of execution stops when return statement is called. One may think that this is the same thing as break statement for loops, but actually they are two different things. For break statement, assuming you have a loop, you have for, and you have the conditions here. Assuming this is the body of the loop. So you have some lines of code after the loop. If you call a break statement here, when this line is being executed, all the lines of code between the break statement will not be executed, but the lines of code after the for loop will be executed. But for a function, assuming you have a function add that takes some input, if the function has a for loop inside it, inside the conditions, and you have some piece of code after the for loop, if you call a return statement here, this will get terminated, and also the entire function also will be terminated. So these lines of code will not be executed. So this is the difference between return statement and break statement. The second thing I would like to tell you is that when a return statement is called, a container is created which is similar to what we have in variables, and the output of the function will be placed in the container. So anytime you call the function, for example, if you have a function add that has some input, and you have a return statement here. Anytime you call this function, it is called as add without the function keyword, and you have your inputs. The entire value here is just the same thing as what we have inside this container. So assuming you equate this to something like sum, it is like writing sum equals to $output, where output is a return statement in the function. I mean, the output is what you have here. So with this, I think you must have gotten a very good understanding of functions. And in the next tutorials, we're writing functions in our IDE.